Tired of fumbling around your truck bed at night or in the early morning? Upgrade your visibility with the Type S Truck Bed LED Lighting Kit. Welcome to the Type S Garage. I'm Isaac, and today we're going to take a look at our Type S Truck Bed LED Lighting Kit. Let's take a closer look at our Type S Truck Bed LED Kit. This kit comes with 8 LED pods. Each pod includes 9 white LED chips. There are 18 inches between each pod. After the first 4 pods, there's over 118 inches of extra wire. Then you continue back to 18 inches between each pod. Thoroughly clean the surface area before attaching any adhesive lighting. At the end of your light pod string is your positive and negative wires. You can power these wires directly to your vehicle battery, to your tail light, or to your pin switch. In order for the pin switch to get power, you'll need to wire to your tail light. This will usually be a brown wire, but colors could vary, so use a multimeter to verify. You can also power the lights directly with your battery. However, you will likely need extension wire. If you have any questions or issues during your install, please reference the manual that comes with your product, contact our customer service, or visit typesauto.com.